Let's see how to calculate support reactions with uniformly distributed load on a simply supported beam. First step is to create a free body diagram. To create a free body diagram, we remove the supports but put the loads and the beam as it is, and in place of supports we put the support reactions. So for roller support it should be vertical reaction AY, and for the beam support it would be vertical reaction BY and horizontal reaction BX. Next is to assume some sign, so that is sign convention. We normally assume vertical upward positive, horizontal rightward force positive, and anti-clockwise rotation in moment is positive. With these sign conventions in place, now the next step is to use equations of equilibrium. So the first step in this one is to use summation of force in x direction equals 0. So there is only one reaction Bx and there are no other horizontal forces, so Bx equals 0. The next step is to calculate moment about the beam support. Usually we take moment about beam support. So AY is the reaction times distance 10 meter, and it will rotate the beam in clockwise direction, so which is opposite to our sign convention, our assumption, so this is negative. Then the load, which is 5 kN per meter for the distance of 10 meter, that is total load, times the point of action. Point of action is always half of the distance, so which is 10 divided by 2. So point of action is always the center of the load for the uniformly distributed load. So half of 10 is 5 meter. So that is the point where the resultant acts, and that load is acting downward, so it is rotating the beam in anti-clockwise direction, so this is should be positive. Solving the equation, we get AY equals 25 kilonewton, which is acting upward. Now the third equation of equilibrium, Fy equals 0, which is summation of vertical forces in y direction equals 0. We have vertical upward positive, so AY acting upward positive, BY also acting upward positive, and 5 times 10 kilonewton of uniformly distributed load, which is acting downward negative. So substituting the value of AY equals 25, we get BY equals 50 minus 25, which is 25 kilonewton.